Hi guys, how are you all?
Fine.
Okay.
Good. Fine.
Okay.
Fine, sir.
Hey. Okay, on behalf of Dia, I welcome you all for the Techno Central Robotics Future Tech Quiz Contest. I'm Aravind from Dia and I'll be the host for your day. Okay. And before we get started, I'm very happy that you all made to the finals. You know how many registrations we made?
I know. I know only 8 people can make it to the final.
Yeah. Because the congratulations, we have to say like we got like 600 plus registrations. You guys top like above 8. Okay. Out of 600 plus registrations, you are the top 8. So congratulations to all of you.
8.
Yeah, you guys are in the top 8 out of 600 registrations.
Less than 50.
No, yeah, in 600 plus registrations, you got in top 8. Okay, and congratulations. Yeah, I see you can you are so much happy about that. Okay, what's your name again? I didn't see that. Kushkra Mishra. Okay, fine. So I'm introducing Mr. Balachandar, head of personalized mentoring, to share a few words about the Bala. It's over to you.
Thank you, Aravind. Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
audible.
sir.
So, hi guys. So, happy to see you on this beautiful Sunday. So, first of all, congratulations for all of you, those who have got shortlisted and come to this finals. So, like you're all were the best in that 600. So, you are all the 8, those who have come for the finals. Great. So, let me give a brief introduction about Dia before getting into the quiz competition. The final quiz. Fine. So before getting into this is Bala. I'm the personalized mentoring head at Dia. Do It Yourself Academy, Dia, is specialized in. I'll just show you some PPT so that you could see in a better manner. I'll just share the screen. Aravind, is it shown?
Yeah, it's we can see the screen. Go ahead, Bala. Just make it a full screen. That's all.
It's seen, right?
Yes, Pakka.
1 minute. Okay. So, Do It Yourself Academy Dia is specialized in internationally certified, industry oriented, and hands on robotics and coding education. Passion is towards making students ready through our exploration. See, this term exploration is very, like, say, interesting word. Technology, come exploration, come innovation. So, that is where you are all here. Okay. And the way of imparting 21st century skills through future tech. So you guys are into the 21st century. Yeah, now you can see it, right?
Yeah. Now Pakka. The second slide is on.
So we students, we have 10 career-oriented domains. Firstly, we have robotic and automation, renewable energy, artificial intelligence, Android app development, drone technology, real-world embedded systems, cybersecurity, animation and game design, Internet of Things, 3D modeling and printing. And we also have got international certificates from United Kingdom, United, like say USA, Singapore and Australia. And our efforts has got us awards like Excellence in Robotics Education, Excellence in Futuristic Education, Best Technology Solution Award. We have also got world record for training maximum number of students in a single session of AI. Our student Preet has got an excellent award from Honorable Governor of Pondicherry Mrs. Kiran Bedi.
Okay.
Our students cover pages, our students in cover pages like magazines, and we have also got awards like Excellence in Robotic Education award by Indian Education Network, Best Technology Solution Award at National Climate Conference presented by National Independent School Associations, Excellence in Futuristic Robotics Education Award by School Innovation Summit. And you can see us in press releases as well. In Pudiyugam, we have come and more press releases. And guys, thank you very much in becoming future ready. And I congratulate everyone to be in here for today. And all the best, guys.
Bala, let the slide be on, la. ஒரே நிமிஷம். So this is our founder cum president, Mr. Uday Shankar. So he is doing a wonderful job in making children's future ready. Okay, if you guys come to know means he is our president. Okay, right now he's not available for this one, but he's the one who got into the courses like this for the young mindeds to make you guys the future ready through robotics and coding. So this quiz is mainly based on coding and robotics. So he is the hero of this industry. They are robotics. Do it yourself academy. Right, guys? Thanks, Bala. That is okay.
Thank you, Aravind.
Thank you. And guys, we can continue. Mentor is an individual with expertise who can help develop the career of a children. Here I present Mr. Shiva, our student success mentor, to give a small demo on AI and animation. Over to you, Shiva.
Yeah, thank you, Arun. Okay, congratulations, children. First of all, for this event, I hear that you are all top from 600. Okay, my heartily congratulations to everyone. Okay, so I just have a limited time. Okay, in that limited time, I'm just going to show you some demos related to the animation and the artificial intelligence. Okay, in this 21st century, okay, learning coding is a mandatory. Okay, learning program is mandatory, right? In the future, whatever the field you choose, okay, programming is mandatory. So we are designed some tool to make the children, especially the kids, to learn the programming concepts very easily. Okay, I'm just going to share my screen. Okay, can you all able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we are going to use an software called PictoBlocks. Using this, we are going to design an animation and the AI as well. Okay, so let's see what are all the things available in this tool. Okay, can you see different colors of circle in the leftmost?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, those things are all called palettes. So we have a motion palette, looks palette.
I already know what is this.
Yeah, most of them. Okay, yeah, related to Scratch, but it is having more extension than Scratch. Okay, for example, see here in whoever knows the Scratch before, can you see the extensions here? Face detection,
Yes, sir.
object detection, human body
Yeah,
detection.
these are also a little bit familiar.
Okay, so these are all the things available apart from Scratch. Okay, we are using this tool. Okay, so this is a palette window and this is a block window. For example, what is meant by motion? Anyone?
Moving objects, sir.
Yeah, very good. Okay, so moving from one place to another place is called motion, right? So see here, if I click on motion, the blocks related to movements are there. Move, turn, go to, glide, everything related to the motion, right? So likewise, if I click on sound, I will get the blocks related to the sound. If I click on control, I will get the blocks related to the control. Okay, so let me have a small program over here. Okay, let me make this Toby. Can you able to see the small cartoon character over here?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, this is called output stream in which we are having a sprite. Okay, you can maximize or minimize the output stream. Okay, so there are plenty of sprites available. Okay, you can choose the sprite from here. Choose a sprite icon. Okay, there will be plenty of sprites available. Okay, and then the backdrop is also empty, right? To make it colorful, I can go to choose a backdrop icon. Okay, and I can use any backdrop I want. Okay, can you see it becomes colorful, right? Okay, now I'm just going to make this Toby to walk. Okay, so for that I'm just going to have an event when flag was clicked. Okay, and then going to the control. Okay, going to the motion, going to use move 10 steps. Okay, this is a scripting area where we are going to write a code. Okay, so see here, whenever I click on flag, whether Toby moves. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, to move continuously, I am just going to use forward. Okay, where is Toby?
Then there should be if on edge bounce.
Yeah, very good. Okay.
Because I know there's already in Scratch also there's an if on edge bounce.
Ah, Pushkara. Very good. Okay, so I'm just going to use if on edge bounce. Okay, see what happens to Toby now. Is this the way? Is this the way?
This is not realistic. This is not realistic.
Okay, is this the way will you walk inside your room?
No.
Unless you know gymnastics.
This way.
Okay, unless you know gymnastics, right? Okay, fine. To make it correct, I am just going to use set rotation style left right. See now? Is that moving perfect?
But he's never going to enter a house in
Yes.
forever.
Yes. Okay, it means forever. There is no end at all, right? Toby will move between the screens continuously. Okay,
All the time until time ends.
Okay, so like this we can create a number of animations over here. You can create an stories, you can create an interactive arts, you can create an games. Okay, like this in this tool. Okay, I will show you some demo programs over here. Okay. I may be a little bit fast, okay, because my time is limited. Okay, once you get enrolled, we will teach you in detail, right? No worries. Okay, fine.
Looks like it doesn't want to open.
Come again?
I can just see a blank.
Yes, yes. One sec. I'm just opening that. I'm just creating. Okay. Okay, can you see the game here? It's a small maze game. Okay, have you all played the maze game before?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
I
fine.
think so. I mean, this is such a huge code block.
Okay. So see here, I just used an beetle. Okay, and the snake. Okay. So whenever I click on flag, beetle was here, right? I just moving the beetle using my arrow keys. Okay, in the keyboard. Okay, if I touch the line, what happens? See, it come back to the original position. Okay, so I have to go between the lines without touching that. Okay, and also I should not touch the snake as well. Okay, see here, what happens if a snake touched the beetle? Okay, see here, beetle again comes back to the original position. So, what is the thing? I have to go between the lines and without touching the snake.
All the way to that apple, I think, up there.
Okay, and I have to catch that apple. Okay, see here,
I want the game.
I won the game. Right. So, this kind of.
Simple, though.
Come again?
That was kind of simple, actually.
Okay, so like this we are.
Very simple.
Okay, so like this we are going to create.
Recording in progress.
So like this, we are going to create a games like this. How many of them played the shooting game?
Maybe not shooting. I don't like shooting.
Okay, others.
I played.
Okay. So instead of playing someone else's game, you can create your own game and you can play it. Okay, see here, I just created one shooting game here.
Is that what we're supposed to do in this in this whatever we call session?
Okay, see
Or we're
here.
going to do something else today?
No. It's just a demonstration. Okay. So see here. I am hitting in
Okay,
space
so maybe
key.
we have to avoid the asteroids here.
So,
Yeah, just
I
ensure
just-
that asteroid doesn't hit you.
okay, fine.
We should do this.
Okay, like this we are going to create an games, right? Yeah, your voice is breaking. Come again.
I have also tried making one of these, but it's simply not possible for me.
Okay. So these are the things, games you can create in this PictoBlocks, right? Also, there was an artificial intelligence as well. Okay. Okay, let me switch off my cam in Zoom because I'm going to use it in PictoBlocks. Let me play the rock, paper, scissors game using AI, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
What rock, paper, scissors game are we going to play? sir?
Okay, so we need an artificial.
Is there a rock, paper, scissors game in PictoBlock?
We need an artificial intelligence to play that, right?
Count against sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so going to the AI.
Come on, it's the third time, sir. I can't hear you.
Yeah, one sec. I'm just selecting the project.
Okay. Is there a rock, paper, scissors, whatever AI game in here?
Okay,
You already made-
how will you play the game?
I don't know.
Rock, paper, scissors. You need your friends. You need your friend, right?
Yes,
For playing
sir.
that game.
Artificial intelligence can break that rule.
Okay, instead of having a company, you can play with the computer itself.
Yes, sir. There are a lot of games like that. Do you know what page somewhere that use the AI actually already?
Okay, fine. Can you see here?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Toby moves, Toby score, player moves, player score. Recognition window.
I'm just going to have, just hold on.
So you're going to use your and play against
Yes.
the AI.
Yes, of course. Okay.
Ah.
See here? It's a rock. Can you see? Here in the down, it was recognizing rock. And if I show the paper, it was recognizing paper, right? And if I show scissor, okay. So I have to upload the samples here. See here, you won the round. Okay, I have to upload the samples and I have to play with
Okay.
this. Come again?
This is working. This is working.
Yes.
You won the game.
Yeah, I won the game. I just given the condition like who got the 3 points first, 3 scored first, he is going to be the winner. I just designed the game like that. Okay. So like this we can create plenty of games using an AI. Okay, it's not only an animation. We have used an artificial intelligence over there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
Hmm.
Okay, so that's it from my side.
Okay.
Okay, I hope. 1 second.
Yeah.
Okay.
What are
I
we
hope
going to do now?
I hope everyone was enjoyed this session, the demo session. Okay. Over to Aravind. You
Yeah.
all rock the session. Okay, all the best for everyone.
Thanks,
Thank
Shiva.
you, sir.
Okay.
Thanks, Shiva. That was amazing demonstration by Shiva. It's nice, guys. You guys come to know that this is something about AI and animation, right?
Wait,
Yeah.
are we going to use the whole text just to make a new game animation?
Yeah, in courses from Dia, you can design your own games here. Okay, that is the demonstration session.
Okay, I'm asking something else. What is it? We have a robotics quiz, so what are we exactly going to do in that robotics quiz? Slow down.
Okay.
Kind of
it
a
is
suspense.
going-
Next section is going to be that. That will be explained by Mr. Aravind, who is the quiz master of the show. Okay. So he'll explain you all the rules and what are questions will be
Okay.
given there. Okay. So let's get started with the quiz. Okay. All the best to all of you guys. Just keep rocking, concentrate and answer correctly. Okay. Make sure your internet connection, everything is good.
Good afternoon, guys.
Okay.
Over to you,
Good
Mr.
afternoon,
Aravind,
guys.
quiz
Good
master.
evening,
Okay.
everybody. Able to hear me? Able to see me? Yes. Good
Yes.
evening. Yes, I'm Arvind Rajiv from
Yes, sir.
Exquisite, and I'll be your quiz master for the day. I request some basic decorum from all the 8 of you. When I talk, please don't talk because it's a quiz. If you don't listen, you cannot win. So I expect everybody to listen to the questions, and I'll be explaining you each and every round very clearly how the rules go. So can I start the presentation, everybody? And let me start the presentation, explain you the rules. Yes. As I told you, this quiz is about predominantly science, technology, future tech. Got it? Basic science, because you're all 3rd to 5th standard. So we want to test you on your basic science acumen. I hope you all enjoyed the preliminary round. You all add on the Microsoft Forms. So that's how it's going to be. And welcome to the grand finale, junior category, Techno Central quiz by Dia Labs, presented to you by Exquisite. Yes. Yeah, next. Okay. Now, what else? See, every kid here, or the top 8 who have qualified, are going to get a free kids watch from Dia Labs. What else you want? Good times are about to begin for you all. And apart from that, you still have the prizes for the top winners, which will be explained by the Techno Central team once the winners have been announced. All the best, everybody. So your time is going to tick now. Right? Well done.
Thanks.
Yes, next. Okay, we have been using some. I don't want anybody to talk when I'm talking, please, because I think I only feel one person who's talking all the time. Please mute yourself. Let me explain. So, we have used some pictures and all in this quiz, and it's only for the knowledge purposes, nothing else. So, let's get started. Yes. Okay, general rules. All the players must have their mics muted unless required, and videos must be on throughout the event. It's a competition, so we'll be seeing you. All switch on your videos, and my discretion will reign supreme. And each direct player, so there are 8 players here, so each one will get a minute to answer the question. And only one guess they can take, and no negatives. Clear, guys? A thumbs up from you all. Very easy. Yes. Okay. Next. Yeah, let me have the order of direct questions. The first one will go to Ashita. Next will go to Kushagra. Next, Jayavardhan. Okay, the third one. Fourth one is Musfira. Fifth is Navneet. Sixth is Devdash. Seventh is Ria. And eighth is Ronan. Clear, guys? So this will be the direct question. And once the direct question is given to say Arshita, no one else should talk. It's only Torchita. She should concentrate and answer. There are no pass points. Clear? Everybody gets one. Right. Let's go to the quiz. first half is going to be each one gets one, which means there are total of 8 questions, one per player in the order prescribed earlier. 20 points you will get. You can't bounce, you can't pass. If you pass, you don't get any points, you won't get negatives. But if you tell the right answer, you will get 20 points. So the rule is going to be, once the tarot player is on the screen, he must have both the hands in namaste position, like this. Both the hands should be visible. Got it? Which means that you are not going to use any artificial intelligence to answer this quiz. Right? That's what we want. So, Harshita, can I see you? And if I find any unfair play, people taking help and people Googling, you will easily find out because of the sounds. You will be discouraged and penalized. Yes. Ready? Harshita?
Yes, sir.
I would request Arvind from Dia to have a scrutiny of the players. If you
Yeah,
can.
sure, sir, sure.
Yeah. Arshita, can we see? Is she there?
Yes, sir, she's there. Yeah.
She's there.
Yeah, we
First question to you. Your hands should be visible at all times. Coming up. Others, please don't talk in between. I don't want anybody to interrupt. Yes. First question. Which major tech company got its name from an imaginary species which is described as noisy and rude and violent from this novel? Which major tech company got its name from an imaginary species described as rude, noisy and violent from this novel? Yeah. Any idea?
Sir?
Yeah, Arshita, your direct question. Yes.
Sir?
Arshita, are you talking?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me, Arshita.
Yahoo!
Yahoo!
Yes,
Are you
sir.
sure?
Yes, sir.
Have you read it? Have you read this novel?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's see the answer whether she got it right. Well done, Yahoo! Good start by Arshita. 20 points. Well done.
Thank you, sir.
Superb answer. Superb answer. And these are the creatures who are nomadic creatures who are very
Yes,
rude and arrogant. And he titled them as Yahooligans in his book. And that's where the Yahoo company got inspired and took the name from. Next question. Who's the next question? Anybody? Kushagra, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, Stockman.
Sorry, not ma'am, sir.
Yeah, Kushagra, ready? The question coming up.
Okay, I'm just waiting. Oh.
Okay, dash, dash, dash. 7 letters, first dash, second is 3 letters, and next is 6 letters. This is known as the 3-finger salute or securities keys. It's a computer keyboard command on IBM PC compatible computers. How is this 3-finger salute commonly known as? You do this when something gets hanged in your computer. What is this command?
Even I don't understand.
Yeah, you have been asking, you have been so talkative during the session. I think it's very easy for you. I thought you knew everything, isn't it?
1 second, just, sir.
Dash, dash, dash. There are 3 blanks, right? The first blank is 7 letters. Can you see the number of blank letters here? Second is 3. Third is 6. So this is the 3 blank. It's actually a command you use in the computer keyboard. Right? Like cut, copy, paste, something like that. Right? It's known as the 3-finger salute.
Yes.
Because generally they do this when you don't get any option, but you have to use this for the computer to boot, or if it gets hanged, you use this command. And it's mainly a computer keyboard command, and IBM PC compatible computers. My question is, the three blanks, how do you commonly know this? So you have three blanks. First is 7 letters. It's a command. All these three are actually commands in the keyboard. I'm giving you a clue.
Okay, just give me 1 minute, ma'am.
Your
What?
time is running up. Come on.
Can you say again, sir? I couldn't
Your
hear
time
you.
is ticking. Your time is ticking.
Okay.
You have 30 more seconds.
Command or shift?
No, the answer should be three words. First word with 7 letters, next word with 3 letters, next word with 6 letters. Now tell. You understood, right? Easy, right? It's a command. I thought you were a genius in the world of. Yes, you were asking so. You were so engrossed in when the session was there, the deposition. I thought it's easy for you.
Give me
Come on.
just 1 second, sir. I'll get it out. I'll crack it out in 1 second, sir.
Time up. 5 more seconds. That's it. You cannot take more than a minute. You saw how fast Arshita answered.
Command or delete?
What?
Command or delete?
Command Alt Delete. Are you sure?
Control or delete?
That's it. Only one answer is accepted. That was the rule. That was the rule throughout the quiz. Only one answer can be accepted. So is my voice echoing? Yeah.
Control and delete.
Control. Delete. Isn't it, Arvind sir?
Control and delete.
Why did you say Command Alt Delete initially? So
Sir,
I'm
that-
only giving you 10 points.
Sir, the
Because-
answer is from Arshita.
How many points do I get, sir, exactly?
Who told, sir? Who told? Kushagra told this?
No,
Yes, I
Sir,
have command or-
Kushagra told that command alt delete, sir.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, Kushagra told Command Alt Delete, so give him 10 points for that. At least he said Alt Delete. Right?
Okay.
Okay, no points to Arshita because it's no passing here. The answer is Control Alt Delete. Kushagra, good try.
Okay.
Good try. The first you should have, very good try. It's Control Alt Delete, not Command Alt Delete. Very good try. Anyway, since you were honest enough to accept that you didn't know it, but you made a guess, I'll give you 10 points.
Actually, sir, do you know what I did? I looked at my computer's keyboard and selected the most commonly used case.
Very good, very good. That's the way you just did an experiment. But the 3-finger salute is called Control Alt Delete, not the Command Alt Delete. Okay? Well done. Good answer. Good try. I'll give you 10 points since you got 2 parts right. Next question. Who's the next question?
Sir, me, sir.
Yes. Jayavardhan. Are you ready, Jayavardhan?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Polonium was discovered in July 1898 by Marie and Pierre Curie when it was extracted from the uranium or pitch blend and identified solely by its strong radioactivity. So that is how polonium was discovered by the couple Marie and Pierre Curie. So my question is, why was the element named polonium? Yes, I want your videos on and your hands visible. Yeah. Any idea, Jayavardhan?
Sir, their home country.
So I want, why was the element named polonium? Work around the word polonium. Why could they have named the word the element polonium? So something to do with coal. Come on. Which country? Jayavardhan, 10 more seconds. At least try like how Kushagra did, no? At least you'll get 10 points. Come on.
Poland.
Okay, time up.
Poland.
Time up. Time up. I cannot accept beyond the time. Anybody knows this?
I know, sir. Ma'am.
It's Poland. It's
Poland.
Poland. Yes, it's Poland. Lot of time I gave Jayavardhan. Sorry for that. Polonium was named after Marie Curie's homeland of Poland. Got it? Yes. Next question. Who's taking the next question here? Ready?
Mushira, sir.
Mushira, you're ready.
Yes, sir.
Your question coming up. This is a 7-letter word. 7-letter word is an extracellular matrix-like retinal protein which is found in the eye. First discovered in 2008 in Japan. This protein is named after a famous character from the Pokemon franchise. The name of this nimble protein was inspired by the character's lightning fast moves and shocking electric effects. Name the protein, which is also the name of a famous cartoon character from the Pokemon franchise, and the protein structure is given in the question. 7-letter word. Come on. Have you seen Pokemon?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Mushira, tell a character in Pokemon. Come on. Your hand should be visible. More seconds. 7-letter word. It also starts with P mark. P for protein. Come on.
Samuel.
No, the character I want. The name of the protein is also the name of the character. Okay, time up. Anybody knows this?
Ishita knows, sir.
Wait. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Don't shout. I told you don't shout, right? Let's give chance to people who raise their hands.
Sir, Pikachu.
Too late, Kana. Too late. Sorry. You people have told the answers by the time. Okay. Well done. It's Pikachu. It's Pikachu. Easy question. You missed out. Very easy. Next question to Navneet. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Coming up. Okay. This he is credited, the person you see in the picture, with inventing the first ever mechanical dash. The dash is, this invention is 8 letters that eventually led to more complex electronic designs in the modern period. Name him and his invention. You see the person and his invention in the picture. So his invention is 8-letter word. Today, thanks to online world, you cannot be without this. And who is this person? You would all know as the inventor of this first ever mechanical dash. Yeah, Navneet. Navneet, I'll give you a clue, huh? Navneet?
Yes, sir.
The name of this person sounds similar to a name of a vegetable. Come on. Name of a vegetable. Very easy. What you see in the picture is the first ever mechanical dash. What is that? 8-letter word.
Charles Babbage.
Charles what?
Charles Babbage.
Why do you say Babbage? Because it's like cabbage, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What did he invent? Okay. Time up.
Computer.
On time. Okay. On time. Well done. 20 points, Navneet. Super. 20 points. He answered it beautifully. Charles Babbage. How did you get Babbage? You started thinking of vegetables, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Cabbage, Babbage. Okay, well done. And 20 points to Navneet. Super.
Thank
Good
you,
answer.
sir.
Good answer. Next is Devdash. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes. This robot you see in the picture uses a mix of cameras and deep learning algorithms to scan the trees of an orchard and detect pieces of a crop, which it requires it to process information on the shape, orientation, and the location of the stem branch. Now, agriculturists are using these robots in the world of farming, especially in the Western countries. And my question is, what crops do they pick? It's a fruit. I'm looking for a fruit. They pick this fruit in a very quick span of 7 seconds. What fruit is this?
It's apple.
Apple, huh? Why do you say it's apple? Why not orange?
Orange. It will.
Why do you say apple? Why not orange? Why not guava? Why not grapes? Tell me.
It is only a shape. In the shape, it will be like a. It will be like a circle. So I am telling it is apple.
Beautifully cracked. Lovely answer. 20 points to Devdash. Nice. Nice
Thank
quizzing. Nice quizzing. So it's a robot which is used in agriculture. As the DIA lab presentation was going on, you see, this is what you call the future tech, isn't it? So you see instead of people taking so much time to pluck apples, this thing does it very fast in 7 seconds using the shape. Beautifully done. Next question. To whom?
To me, sir.
Ria. Ready? Kadirvan. Ria Kadirvan, your question on the screen. He is G.D. Naidu, who developed India's first electric scooter, along with Balasundaram Naidu. He has not only invented electric scooters, but so many inventions are credited to his name, like tamper-proof voting machine, electric razor, kerosene-run fan. So he is a man who is known for his multiple inventions. So how is he fondly known as? Since he is known for his multiple inventions, he is known as India's dash. What? Another person's name is credited to his name. Another person who is known for inventing so many things.
Edison of India.
Beautiful answer. Lovely. 20 points. Give her a round of applause. Beautiful. Edison of India. Lovely answer. 20 points, Ria. Well done. Beautiful answer. Good quizzing. Next question. Ronan,
Yes, sir.
ready for you. Coming up. Okay. This is a type of energy. It's 10-letter word. Can you see the blanks here? 10-letter word. So think about that. It's a major source of energy in Iceland. According to the National Energy Authority of Iceland, about 25% of the country's electricity is generated from tapping the earth's heat, and 90% of the Icelandic households are heated with this energy. What is this energy? It's a 10-letter word. It starts with G. It starts with G.
Sir, geothermal.
Geothermal. What a crack. 20 points. Fantastic quizzing. Great quizzing by Ronan. Geothermal is the thermal energy in the Earth's crust which originates from the formation of the planet. Ronan, how do you know this? You heard of this?
Sir, I studied this in school.
Brilliant. From your books. Beautifully
Yes, sir.
done. Lovely quizzing. Yes. Before we go to the round 2, shall we have the scores being read out?
Yes, sir. Should I present or maybe scores?
You can read it out. Maybe after second round you can present.
Okay. So after the first round, Arshita with 20 points, Kushagra with 10, Jayavardhan and Mushfira yet to open their account, and Navneet, Devdarsh, Riya and Ronan with 20 each. So we have Jayavardhan and Mushfira
Okay.
to score points.
Except Jayavardhan and Mushfira, everybody have got a score in this round. And Kushagra couldn't get the 20, but he got a 10. But others have all got 20. Ashita, Navneet, Devdarsh, Riya and Ronan. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Exactly.
Lovely start. Great start. Guys, superb quizzing. I hope you enjoyed the first round, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Yes. Second round coming up. Same way, let's go. So second half, each one gets one. 2 truths and a lie. There will be a total of 8 questions. 1 per player in the order prescribed. 20 points per question. So there will be 3 statements. 2 will be a correct statement. 1 will be an incorrect, untrue or a lie. You have to pick up which is the lie or the untruth statement and justify the lie by converting the lie into a truth. Got it? Clear? Can I give you an example?
Yes, sir.
Say, for example, the example is sun is a star. The energy from the sun is called lunar. Right? Which is the false?
Sir, the last one.
Why? How do you make it into truth?
Solar.
Exactly. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Clear? So in this, like this, there will be 3 statements. 2 will be a truth, 1 will be a lie. So not just identifying the lie, you get 10. And if you can convert the lie into the truth by justifying why it's a lie and what should be the real statement, you get another 10 and 20. Same way, this time,
Yes, sir.
let's start from the anti-clockwise. Let's go with Ronan.
Okay.
Ready? Ronan?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, let's go from you this time. Yes. Same rules will apply. There will not be any blanks here, so don't worry. And your hand should be visible. Okay, from the world of magnets. A magnet, first statement, a magnet pulls on ferromagnetic materials such as iron, steel, nickel, cobalt, etc. Like magnetic poles attract each other, and unlike magnetic poles, repel each other. A freely suspended magnet always points in a north-south direction. Which one of these 3 is a lie? Ronan. First, identify the untrue statement and make it the true statement. Yeah, Ronan?
Sir.
Yeah.
Option is incorrect.
Option?
Option
I didn't
B.
hear you. Option?
B.
B. B for bat. B. Okay. Why do you say B?
Because, sir,
Yeah. Continue.
like repels and unlike attracts.
So you mean to say I have ulta it? I have made it opposite. Is that what you're saying? So
Yes, sir.
like magnetic poles repel and unlike poles attract is what you're saying. So B is the true. Brilliant answer. 20 points. Lovely quizzing. Lovely quizzing, Ronan. Take 20 points for this. Superb. Guys, did you understand how he's playing, guys? Very, very professional quizzing by Ronan. He's taking his time and just killing it. Well done, Ronan. Others, here is a chance for you not just to identify the lie, but to justify it. Ria, ready?
Yes, sir.
Your question coming. On the world of Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi, often referred to as Wi-Fi, and these words is the short form of wireless functionality. A Wi-Fi network is simply an internet connection that's shared with multiple devices in a home or business via a wireless router. Hedy Lemmer was an Austrian-American actress and inventor who pioneered the technology that could one day form the basis for today's Wi-Fi. Among the three, which one is a untrue statement?
The first one is false.
Why? Justify.
It's a wireless fidelity.
Brilliant. 20 points. Wonderful. Wonderful, Ria. Superb. Nicely cracked. So Wi-Fi is wireless fidelity, not wireless functionality. Very smart quizzing. Devdash, ready for your 20?
Yes, sir.
Coming up on your screen. On Alexa. Alexa is a virtual assistant technology developed by Google. Amitabh Bachchan has lent his voice for Alexa. Alexa was developed out of a predecessor named Ivona, which was invented in Poland, inspired by the movie 2001: A Space Odyssey. Which is a lie here?
Yes, sir.
Why? Why?
Because Alexa is not found by Google.
Who owns it?
What's that?
Who developed it?
Amazon developed it.
That's exactly what I wanted. 20 points. Wonderful answer. I think everybody is scoring well in this. Ashwin and I had a discussion yesterday. Nicely cracked, Devdash. Good. Nice quizzing. Very good. In what class are you, Devdash? Devdash, which class you are from?
I am third standard, sir.
Fantastic. Brilliant. Next question to Navneet. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Guys, take your time, Navneet, and then answer. Okay? Take your time. Don't jump. On solar energy. Solar energy is the radiation from the sun capable of producing heat, causing chemical reactions or generating electricity. Solar radiation can be converted either into thermal energy or into electrical energy. A solar cooker uses the energy of water vapor to heat that cooks or pasteurize food materials. Which is the lie?
Third, sir. C, sir.
Why is it C? I'm hearing some background noise. I don't want anybody to help you. Please, answer it on your own. I want your hands to be visible.
Because a solar cooker uses the energy of solar power to
That's
heat.
it. Well done. 20 points. Very easy. Very easy. It uses the energy of solar only, not water vapor. 20 points. Good. Kushagra, obviously you will get a chance, Kushagra. Just going anti-clockwise. You didn't listen to me?
Like that because actually I got it half wrong in the last period.
You will get a chance. Everybody gets one. Got it. Right? Next. Next question is Mushfira. Mushfira, your question, right? Are you there? Avinash, Ashwin, are you there?
I
Sir,
think,
sir, Mushfira's question once.
just a minute, we're checking. I don't think Mushfira is there, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Jayavardhan, you can answer this.
Yes, sir.
Jayavardhan, are you there? Yes.
Yes, sir.
The term robot first appeared in a play titled RUR by Carol Capek, a playwright. Electronic firms use robotic devices together with other computerized instruments to sort or test finished products. Joseph F. Engelberger wrote The Three Laws of Robotics, which is a lie.
Sir,
That's
C
Jayavardhan.
one, sir.
C. Why do you
Sir,
say C?
C.
Why do you say C? How do you make the C true? If you say C is false. Ten more seconds. Time up. Time up. 10 points to Jayavardhan. Well done, Jayavardhan.
Sir, Joseph.
That's it. That's it. Time up. Time up. 10 points to you for getting the C right. Anybody knows offhand why is C wrong?
Sir, Isaac Asimov, sir.
Yes, Isaac Asimov wrote the Three Laws of Robotics.
Albert Berger did write, indeed did write the three laws of robotics. And first of all, even Carol Chapek has first.
The Three Laws of Robotics is a documented book written by Isaac Asimov. That's what I wanted. So, period. Well done for Jayavardhan. He got the false correctly. So, yes. Kushagra, ready?
Yes, finally, sir, yes.
Finally, your time has come. See, I want you to take your time. Don't be in a hurry, right? Your smart answer is
Looks like you topic.
cryptocurrency works on the technology blockchain. Please mute yourself. Mute yourself. I'm talking. Cryptocurrency works on the technology blockchain. USA became the first and only country to legalize Bitcoin. The world's first Bitcoin ATM has opened in Vancouver, Canada. The machine allows users to interchange their credits of the digital currency. Which is a false? Kushagra, your chance to get 20 points.
1 second, sir.
You have 60 seconds. Take your time. I would like to see you with your hands on. Please use your natural intelligence, guys. Even though artificial intelligence is the quiz is about, but there's nothing, we only developed it. So we need to be smart. Come on. 20 more seconds to Kushagra to crack this. Time is ticking.
The answer here.
Which is the answer?
The wrong one is B. USA became the first and only country to legalize Bitcoin. This is the wrong one of the A, B, and C. Sir. Sir, can you hear me?
Yes, Kushika, just hold on. Yeah, Kushika, just hold
Ashwin,
on.
are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm.
I just logged out. 1 minute, please. 1 minute.
Yeah, no.
My mistake.
Sir, already told me that
Yeah, what is your answer? What was your answer?
B. USA became the first and only country to legalize.
Okay, that is a wrong. Why do you say it's wrong?
Yeah, because USA isn't the first country
This is the first country then.
legalize Bitcoin. More country have legalized Bitcoin, and it is not the first country to legalize Bitcoin either.
Now my question is, what is if you say it's B? Why do you say? How do you make the B the false statement true?
So you are asking me why?
No. I agree with you. B is false. Okay.
Yes.
And how do you justify it?
How did I justify it?
Yeah.
USA is not the first country to legalize.
Then which is the first country? That's what I want.
Can I get 30 seconds for that also?
No, that's a time up. You said there are no country which has justified. No, that's what your answer, right? No country has legalized Bitcoin, correct?
Correct.
Correct. That's what you said, right? Agree?
Yes, yes.
Okay, let's look at his answer. Okay, El Salvador was the first and only country to legalize Bitcoin. So good try. Anyway, you get 10. Again, I think 10 is a lucky number. Again, you get 10 points because you identified the lie beautifully, but you were of the opinion it was a slight googly question. It's a googly. It just was in the news 6 months back. El Salvador became the first and the only country to legalize Bitcoin till date. Got it?
Got
Something
it.
you learned today. Right. Next question.
Yeah. No, sir. Can you just tell how many points have all of us got just for me?
After this round, he will screen you, ma. Just one more guy left, no? Just wait for him. Right. Okay. Arshita,
Yes, sir.
ready?
Ready,
Just a
sir.
minute. Just a minute. Yeah. Your question coming up. Okay, about your Thomas Alva Edison. So one of the greatest inventions of Thomas Alva Edison is the incandescent light bulb. Thomas Alva Edison held a world record of 1,093 patents, and is also best known for his contributions to the design of the modern alternating current AC electric supply system. So which one is the false here?
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
first one is the wrong, sir.
First one is the wrong. Why?
Because he created a flavored, the carbon flavored light bulb, sir.
No, it's wrong. You got it wrong. You got it wrong. Oh, it's a big miss. He did invent the incandescent light bulb. Now let's look at the wrong answer. Anybody knows this?
Sir, I know, sir.
Yeah, tell me. Yeah, what's the answer?
Sir, B.
Okay. Others?
C.
Why C? Who's saying C?
Ria.
Tell Ria, why is it C?
Because Tesla is the one who found
Brilliant, 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 brilliant. Wow. What an answer. Give her a round of applause, everybody. Give her a round. I think Dia team will be extremely happy with this. What an answer.
Yes.
Wow.
Superb one.
Tesla is the one. Yes. Okay, I've just joined in my 1 minute, guys. One minute. Yeah, I have joined. Yes. Okay. Sorry, there was a technical issue in my thing. So Nikola Tesla is known for his contribution to the design of the modern AC alternative current electric supply system. Got it?
Sir.
It's a miss. It's a big miss by Arshita. Anyway, that happens in the quiz. She started very well, but she lost the 20. It's slightly tricky one for you, right? So it doesn't matter. Yeah, you learn something, isn't it? That's the spirit. I like Arshita's spirit. That's very good. So it's a very good to know that she takes even a failure and a success as part of the quiz beautifully. That's the way it goes. Shall we have the scores?
Yes, sir. So Mushfira is not available.
Mushfira is not there, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir. Mushfira is gone. So
Yeah, so we have to skip one question. We can't help it.
Okay, sir. So I'll be screening.
You share the screen and then you go to the next round after that.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you. I would like to even give a lot of credit to Kushagra because he's a very sportive player. He's taking everything the way it should be. That's the way to play Kushagra. Hats off.
Try my best, but I don't know why I always ended up with half of the maximum marks I could get.
No issues. The marks doesn't matter. It's learning which matters. Got it, Kushagra? Even I was like you. You can get 1 mark, 2 marks. See, quizzing is like cricket. One day you may hit a century, the next day you may get a duck. That doesn't mean you're bad, right? All it matters is how you. Anyway, that's you got a challenging question and you did well. You knew that it was a wrong thing, but you didn't know how to justify. Doesn't matter.
Because see, actually, sir, I don't know too much about what happens in the world, but I know about a lot about what happens in the actual programming and all that of the computer.
That's okay. That's okay. This quiz is you need to know about the world, right? Because that's
More
the
about
future.
the machine than I know more about the machine than the other logistics.
No issues. No, you've done very well despite that. Let's have the scores.
What's the scores?
Yeah, he's going to screen it.
Don't think I see any
No,
screen.
he's screening it. Wait, he's going to. Okay. Ashwin, can we have the scores? Quite a pulsating
Sir,
quiz,
sir,
I would
sir,
say.
1 minute.
Yeah, Ashwin. You have any net issues, Ashwin? Ronan, very well behaved. Hats off to you, Ronan. I'm very appreciative of your very nice, you're very soft spoken. Ashita, Ronan, you're making this quiz really look very professional. Thank you. Dev, Darsh, Navneet, all 8 of you are champions to say the least.
Thank you so much, sir.
Nothing differentiates. A question cannot differentiate anything in a quiz. The purpose of this quiz is hats off to Dia Labs for bringing such a wonderful concept, future tech. So all questions are based on great learn, like Edison. That's what matters. There is no value attached to it, isn't it? Learning. Okay. Interesting. Navneet, Devdash, Ria, Ronan, all with 40. Kushagra, Arshita, despite Kushagra saying I'm not playing my top of the game, is still in the game with 20 and Arshita with 20. Jayavardhan did well. He got a 10 points. He couldn't justify. And Mishira, I don't think she's there in this quiz. So, guys, it's a battle between you 7. All the best. One more round to go. One more. Yeah. Ready, huh?
Okay, I'm ready.
Ready.
Sir, can I go to the restroom and come?
Okay, come and go. Take a water break. Come very fast. Just 2 more break. We'll start in 2 minutes. Please.
Okay, but I go for a small.
Please. Don't go for samosa, chat and all. Come fast.
So it was nice going.
Ashwin, how
sir.
many more questions to go?
The last one, sir. 8 more.
8 more. 8 more
Yes, sir.
questions. So,
Sir, visual based.
visual based.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll have the picture. Yeah, ready.
Yes.
Thank you. So, any words to say, other than from Dia? Where it's
Yes,
going?
sir. Yeah, it's superb. Nice going. Jayavardhan, you are really doing good, okay? Don't be like, just give it a try. I can see his face like he's like.
Jayavardhan, you have done very well, Jayavardhan. Nothing wrong in it. Oh, you got 10 points, right, Jayavardhan?
Yes, sir.
There's nothing bad in it. Yeah? See, you are just 30 points away from others. So don't be upset. You are doing very well. In fact, you are one of the answer. You have got a very tough question. What question you got in 2 truths and a lie?
Sir, what's going to be the next one? Can you just show us the rules?
No, I'm just talking to Jayavardhan. 1 minute.
Hopefully not consideration. I did not go for it.
1 minute. Jayavardhan, what question you got, Kana?
Sir, Paul question, sir.
Tough one. It's a tough one. But anyway, you did very well. Like, be proud of you. We are all proud of your performance. Everybody's performance. Okay. Next is going to be a visual round. So, there will be 8 questions.
Sir,
So
just a minute.
everybody will get 20 points to score.
Sir, just a
Right.
minute. I think Ria is not joined. Ria, can you switch on your camera? Ria?
I
here.
Yeah, okay, fine. Okay, sir, we can go ahead.
Ashwin, for the benefit of
Yes, sir.
all others to be in this game,
Okay.
let's make it 50 points per question.
5-0.
Five.
Let's make it 50 points. That will boost everyone.
Yes, it will boost everyone's performance. Yeah, let's make it 50 points. Okay, so 50 points, no pass, no negative. But if I want to give 50 points, your answer should be accurate. It cannot be hearsay. Right? That you must give me that leeway. And you are going to be given a picture, and I will be asking the question. So listen to me. The question text won't be there. You will only be given the picture. For example, you may have a picture of Einstein, and I'll be asking something about Einstein. Got it? I will not be so foolish to identify this person. No. Right? I know you guys are too smart. So it will be very something about.
Yeah, sir, but sir, don't underestimate because I don't think it will be too easy.
It won't be too easy. I tell you what all you will get in this. You will get something about
Hopefully,
the great scientists, great inventions, films based on science, sci-fi films.
Okay.
Something about environment and science.
Sir, the questions look like I win the questions no matter what.
Yes, that's it. So that's the spirit. Arshita, you can start your first question. Arshita, to you. Others, please mute. Because why you should all mute is, if you leak out the answer, Arshita will get a 50. So don't allow anybody to score. Be quiet, tight-lipped. Got it, guys? Still the game is on. It's like anybody can win. Right. Question to you, Arshita, coming up. 50 points. Okay. Arshita, can I read the question to you?
Yes, sir.
Identify this very famous scientist who now resides in Kunnur, Ooty, near Ooty, Udagamandalam, Tamil Nadu, hill station, Kunnur, and his claim to fame. Identify the scientist and his claim to fame. I'll give you a clue. Think about out of the world experience. Come on.
Sir, Govind Swaroop.
Govind Swaroop. And his claim to fame.
Yes, sir.
Your hand should be visible. It seems that you are Googling it. Arshita. Yes. Look at the way Kushagra and all are playing. They are playing with sportively. You should don't care about losing. Yes, tell me.
Sir, Govind.
Okay, I can, Avinash, let me have a raise of hands here. Raise of hands, anybody knows this?
Sir, Govind.
Wait. That's it.
Ria is
Actually, just see the raise of hands.
Yes, sir. Ria is
Rian and
Ria,
Navneet.
I'm giving you a pass here for people who can raise their hands, but yeah, who's raising?
Ria,
Ria.
Kushkara, and Navneet, Jayavardhan.
Okay, Ria, you tell.
Because he's an astronaut.
Okay. So,
Sir, radio
wait. Ria, then who else? Kushagra, tell.
This is exactly what she said. Govind.
Okay. Others who raised?
Jayavardhan.
Jayavardhan?
That radio astronomy.
What is his name here? Identify his name. You are going with what Ashita is saying, everybody?
Next we can ask Navneet, sir, if you want.
Navneet?
Navneet, your answer.
Govind Swaroop.
Let's have the answer.
Sir, that one I want to know.
Wait, let's see the answer. Ashwin, can we have the answer? Rakesh Sharma, the first Indian to travel to space. Who told this? Nobody told this.
No.
Ashita,
No, sir.
I told out of the world, isn't it? Clue.
Yeah, so no one got this right.
No one got this. No one got this. Kushagra is very happy.
So, to me and Trivoni
Okay, Kushagra, here is from the world of automobiles coming up to you.
yes. Because I
Coming up.
the word of
Yeah, Kushagra can only answer. If he doesn't answer, he will raise hand. Okay, Kushagra, I'll ask the question. This was the first ever quadricycle. You can see the four wheels, right? Quadricycle.
Sir, I
Which-
have
Wait, which famous company built it? American company. Kushagra, your hand should be visible.
yes, sir. Sir, please, 2 minutes.
2 minutes, sir. 60 seconds. 2 minutes.
Mm,
You want to answer tomorrow?
huh? If I
You can
can,
answer tomorrow.
it
Don't
would
worry.
be brilliant. If there's a clue.
No, it's not a clue. I'll give you a clue. I'll give you a clue. If you answer this question, you're going further. So go further. That's the clue. Go further. Come on.
Okay, this is a car made by Ford. A vehicle,
Why do you say Ford?
huh?
Why do you say Ford?
Because it just looks like it is going to be a Ford vehicle. Exactly, that's why.
Plus 50.
Huh?
Plus 50. What an answer. 50 points.
Because I know this is an ancient Ford vehicle.
Brilliant. 50 points. 50 points to Kushagra. He's back to this quiz. 50
am
points.
excited.
Well done. And the tagline of Ford is go further. That's the clue I gave. So, good answer. Let's see the answer. Ashwin?
Yes, sir.
Ford is right. Beautifully done. Okay, Jayavardhan, ready? Jayavardhan, can I talk to you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, your question coming up. This Independence Day. So the question is, this film is based on which space exploration? Come on.
Sir, Chandrayaan.
Chandrayaan, sure.
Yes, sir.
100%. Okay, first one to raise your hands.
Yes, sir. It's Chandrayaan, sir.
Sir, I know the answer.
Sir,
Mangalyaan. It's Mangalyaan.
Mangalyaan. No points anyway. No pass anyway for this.
Yeah, it's a pure Mangalyaan. I was
Easiest question of the quiz, I suppose.
yeah. Now, do I get some points for
No, you don't get. There's no pass here. Just for this fun, I said raise your hand.
Okay.
Uh,
Actually, I
well-
will get
no. Then it become very tough question. Everybody will start raising them. It will become an issue.
yeah, because I just wish that I got this question instead.
Mission, but still you got 4. You'll be happy with your answer.
It
So
would
Jayavardhan, it's Mission Mangal. Easy question, Jayavardhan, not Chandrayaan. It's Mangalyaan. Anyway,
yeah, and
next question. Coming to who's next question? Navneet, right? Navneet, right? Avinash, Ashwin?
Sir, yes, sir. Navneet.
Because that person is not there.
Mushfira.
Navneet.
Yeah, Navneet.
Navneet, ready?
yes, sir.
Coming up. Okay, this is Mr. Broker, otherwise called as Wallace Broker. He was an American geophysicist. What term did he coin to explain the worldwide change in climate due to the effects of carbon dioxide emissions? Come on. Wallace Broker, an American geophysicist. What term did he coin to explain the worldwide change in climate? Yes,
Global warming.
global warming. Sure, huh?
Sure, sir.
Let's see whether he gets this. Wow, 50 points. Well done, beautifully cracked. Give him a round of applause. Beautiful, beautiful answer. Well done, Arav. Well done, good quizzing.
And how many points?
50 points he gets. And Dev Dash, your next question. Let's complete. We are running short of time. We have another final at 5 o'clock for the senior category. We have to rush it. Okay, Dev Dash, your question. This is a miniature train which was recently inaugurated in Trivandrum, Kerala. In what way is this train India's first of its kind? In what way? Think of power. Think of power. Navneet. Sorry, Dev Dash.
Yes.
Yeah. In what way is it India's first of its kind? Kushagra is praying God that you don't answer.
Yeah, because I don't think I will be very good if everyone gets the
Solar, sir. Solar.
Solar powered train. Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
50 points. Beautifully done. Beautifully done. India's first of its kind solar energy driven train. Good answer.
Thank you, sir.
Ria coming up. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Your question. Okay. This character's skin, you see in the picture, resembled the keloid scars that the radiation causes. And the weapon that the character carried was an atomic heat beam generated by the nuclear energy inside the character. This representation bypassed the censorship and the character was created. Which iconic character is this? Whose skin resembled the keloid scars that the radiation causes? Anybody? It's a very, very famous Hollywood movie franchise.
Godzilla.
Godzilla. Sure, huh?
Yes, sir. My brother sees I sees and I see a little bit.
So thank your brother for your 50 points. Well done. Superb. Superb answer. 50 points. Superb. Godzilla. Nice. Last question of the quiz.
Yes,
Ronan, ready?
Yes,
Coming up to you. Let me read the question. Very interesting question, please. What word was coined in 1798? What word was coined in 1798 by a British doctor you see in the picture called Edward Jenner, after he discovered that people who were affected by cowpox were immune to smallpox and hence named it after the Latin word for cow. What word was coined by him? Think of the pandemic today, a word which is very, very, very relevant today too. Come on.
No, the answer is vaccine.
Vaccine from Vaxa cow. Give him a top class applause for his 50. Brilliant answer. Vaccine from Vaxa cow. He knew this. He knew this. Beautifully cracked. 50 points. That's it, guys. Let's have the scores.
Sir, we have a tie break. Every tie break, sir. So last Navneet, Devdash, Ria and Ronan are with 90, sir. So
Let's have the score first. Let's have the score first.
yes, sir. So shall I read it or shall I?
No, you screen it. Let Arvind decide. Arvind, how many prizes?
Only one, sir.
Yeah, only one prize, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, can you take a decision on the scores in the meeting? Accordingly, we will have the tie break if required.
Yes,
So shall
sir.
I screen it or shall I?
Please screen it. Please.
Screen it, Ashwin. Based on that, we'll see.
Let Arvind, because we cannot force them to 2 or 3 positions. If it's not
Is
there.
there going to be another round?
No, that's it. End of the quiz. Okay, let's have the scores.
Sir, if we have any other one more question for all the 4 people means that would be preferred, right? We'll see which one is
We
good.
do. Let's have the score first.
Okay, sir. Pakka.
But the problem is again, if I have a bumper question for each 4 of you, others shouldn't answer, right? You should mute them.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Is it possible?
Sir,
We can mute, sir.
Okay.
next time.
Wait. Let's have the scores. Ashwin, is it ready?
Yes, sir. I'm screening. Yeah, one second.
Okay.
Okay.
Please.
Wow.
All 90s.
All 90s. Okay. I think the clear. Okay. Navneet, Devdarsh, Ria, and Ronan all tied with 90. What a quiz. Wow.
I am just second after that.
Well done, the others. Kushagra, you have been an outstanding participant today. Hats off to you. Superb. I'm very proud of the way you
Yeah,
enthusiastically answered your questions.
only the hard questions. I have
But still, you did very well. Jayavardhan, Arshita, well done too. You can be proud of your performance. We missed Mushfira for most part of this quiz, unfortunately. Now, I would request the PR team to mute Arshita, Kushakra, and Jayavardhan for this round. And there will be a tie break between Navneet, Devdash, Riya, and Ronan. Ashwin, please note how we are going to break the tie is.
Okay, sir.
How we are going to break the tie is first one who gets the right answer.
Okay, sir.
Right? First one should raise their hand.
Okay.
Raise their hand in the Zoom, and I
in the
request
Zoom.
you and Aravind to look into it.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Kushagra, please, you can see the quiz, Kushagra, if you are interested. Don't leave. See how they are playing. They are all your fellow teams. Make them cheer your favorite winner. Don't leave. Right, the game is still on, right? You did well. Your game is over. Please wait. There may be some formalities. It's not a respectful on our part to leave like that. Yeah. Okay, Ashwin, you can directly go to the tie-break question. Right. So all the 4, Devdash, Navneet, Riya, Ronan, first one to raise. Kushagra, you can lower your hands.
okay, sir.
Please don't confuse us.
Knows that everyone who's playing the next round has some break. Oh.
Wait. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Who raised it? Yeah. We'll go to the tie break. Anyway, for guys who are seeing this quiz, thanks a lot. I'm Arvind Rajiv, CEO of Exquisite. But we have to continue this quiz for the 4 more people. Right? Others, have you muted, Arvind?
Yeah, be muted. Kushikara, don't unmute yourself and speak, okay? For our time being.
Kushagara, please follow some decorum, Kushagara. Just, we'll see who wins this. So it's going to be +10 who cracks it. That's it. He's going to win. Now, yes, we'll have the question. Ashwin, ready?
Yes, sir. Ready, sir.
Okay, Sophia is a social humanoid robot developed by a Hong Kong-based company, Hanson Robotics. She is the citizen of which nation? Yeah, who raises their hands first in the Zoom?
Ronin?
Ronan, tell me. Ronan, you raised your hands first.
The answer is
Yeah, the answer is
Saudi Arabia.
Saudi Arabia is your answer. Sure, huh?
Yes, sir. Sure.
Let's see if he's going to win this quiz.
Yeah.
Wow!
It is superb.
You will never ever forget that robot in your life. Go to Saudi Arabia and hug that robot because you won this quiz because of him. Well done. Ronan is the champion. Can we have the updated score now, Ashwin? You take your time.
Yes,
Put the
sir.
rank and send. Just
Okay.
put first, second, third. That's it. Right.
Yes.
Okay. Meanwhile, we'll request DR team to take it over from here.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Excellent quizzing, guys. You all rocked, especially Kushigra. You're so much energetic and it was so much. Ronin, you're so professional in doing the quizzing. Thank you, guys. And
Thank you so much.
I feel like you guys learned a lot from this quizzing. Few questions may be like a kind of a tough, but it went like superb. And most of the people you know the answers, but feel free to say the answers even if it is wrong. It will be appreciated in all the while. Okay. And here are the scores. Ronin, you are the winner. Congratulations to you. And you will be getting a auto kit, which is developed and.
Ronan, I want you to celebrate in the camera. Come on.
Yeah, he's
Is
already
this the
doing
way
it,
you
sir.
I think you're yawning. That's it. Come on. Yes. Well done. Give them, everybody give a round of applause to Ronan. Everybody. Fantastic. Fantastic. Superb. You're from which city, Ronan? Your native is which? Your native? You're from where?
Darjeeling.
Wow.
Darjeeling.
Darjeeling is supposed to be a very chilled out place. Yes, beautiful. Okay. Well done. And others, let me call Ria, Devdash, Navneet. Everybody give them a round of applause. Wonderful. They have put in a stupendous show. And not to forget the energy given by Kushagra. I think he's almost 80% robot himself. It's so fast and talking. He's so energetic. We needed a person like him today to make this quiz very interesting. Thank you, Kushagra. And Jayavardhan, Arshita, you have been a fantastic participant. Fabulous. Right. Yes, sir. Now it's up to you, sir.
Yes. And for you guys, like we said, in the after the quiz contest, you'll be getting a watches for you guys. All of you will be getting a watches for you as a kids watch. And Ronan will be getting an amazing prize of photo, which is designed by Dia Robotics. Yeah, Ronan, I can see you still celebrating. Okay, that's really nice.
I don't think I'm going to do anything with them.
Yeah, Kushigra, you are the rocking star here, always speaking and you're encouraging everyone in the middle. That is really nice of you. Bala, you have any words to say?
I could see him happy when people answered. He's such a nice person.
Yeah.
He will come up very big.
He was an energetic fellow throughout
Very
the session.
energetic.
Yeah.
We
Very,
needed a
very
guy like
energetic.
him.
Yeah,
We
yeah,
needed
yeah.
a guy like him.
For all the questions, we got answer from him.
Super.
And that
Good
fourth
Kushagra.
question is good and amazing. Like you guessed it so much right about food.
Good. Very good. Ford was a top class answer.
Yeah,
Thank you, sir.
that was really amazing. Okay,
Anything else, Arvind sir, for us to...
nothing said. We can actually close this and the vote of thanks will be given by Bala sir.
Okay. Guys, once again, it was immense pleasure quizzing you. I made a...
Sorry.
Sir, your voice is breaking.
I don't know, he's out of the...
That's sir left the meeting. Sorry.
Kushigra.
Sorry, sir. Sorry.
It's okay, sir.
Some issues in my net. Yeah. Everybody hear me?
Yeah, yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Loud and clear.
Yes. All the best, guys. It was great having you all. And thanks once again to Dia Labs for their wonderful organizing. They made our life very, very, very sophisticatedly easy for doing this quiz. Thank you.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
just one title I didn't like. I was so unlucky. I could only get the hard questions.
Yeah,
That's
but
okay.
you...
That's how quizzes. You will never know what you're going to get.
But the answer you guess for food is no one can guess it. That you know, right?
I didn't expect it to like this. Do you know what I expected? I expected that we would just do some little bit activities that sir was doing, that sir was doing, and then you would assign us some Microsoft form and we would leave the meeting. These were much different.
Okay, if you know what, every month we are going to have a quiz like this. Okay, you can follow our pages like dialabs.com. In that, you'll be getting update of quizzes. Every month, in the middle or the end of the month, we'll be having quizzes like this. Okay, do follow.
And is it sure to be robotics one, sir?
Sorry, Pa? What, Jayavardhan? You can speak.
It's going to be a robotics one for sure. It
Just
must. robotics one, or it can be something else also.
It's our company is based on only coding and robotics, yeah. So it will be mostly on based on coding and robotics, and some technologies around the world. The quiz is all about technologies around the world. Okay. If you see the quizzes, means all the questions is
I
like,
like those articles, sorry. Today, I would like to tell you one thing. The articles are all trash compared to what we get in the quiz.
yeah, we can see that. But if you know, means you can learn about all the technologies.
The
Kushikra. If
articles
you-
that you get, the links that you give us to study before the quiz are weird trash compared to what are the quiz.
Yeah, this I told you right. Actually, the topic of the articles we shared is the technology around the world. All the technologies that is around the world you have to know. So that is the basic thing we hear. Okay. So yes, Jayavardhan, what you are about to say?
What would the quiz?
Just a minute, Kushikra. Jayavardhan has something to
Sir,
say.
my school name is wrong, sir.
Okay, your school name will be changed, man. No issues. Arvind, please
What's-
look onto it.
What's your school name, Jayavardhan?
Sir, my school name is Royal Concord International School, sir.
Okay. We'll take care of that. No issues.
Okay, sir.
Okay. All of you will be getting a call. Okay. We'll be asking you the address and everything. The watches will be sent to your home. And Ronin, rocking star. How was the quiz?
Can it be better do with some kind of, if you would tell me some ideas and I could make as an application only in Java. That would be much better for me than a what?
Yeah. We'll give you a course regarding that, Kushikra. Okay. Let's have a one by one about the quiz. Okay. Ronin, it's your turn. Tell about what you learned from this quiz. How was the quizzing? How you felt? Kushikra, just mute yourself so that he can speak.
Yeah.
Ronin, unmute yourself and speak. Ronin, sorry.
Sir, I learned a lot about the founders and scientists.
Okay, that's all.
Yes, sir, and I found it very interesting.
Okay, fine. And how you feel about winning this contest?
I'm so excited about the robot and the watch.
And the watch. You are eager to say about the watch.
No, sir, I'm excited for the boat.
The bot. That is, you're going to the Voto bot you're saying. Okay, that is fully 3D printed for your kind information. It's fully 3D printed from Dia Robotics. Okay. Once it comes to us, just share us the picture of you with the robot. It will be most happy. If a CEO comes to know about me, you'll be most happiest person. Okay,
Okay, sir.
next we can have Jayavardhan. You can share your words about the
Sir?
quizzing. What you felt about the quizzing here? How you felt about the quizzing?
Nice, sir.
So what you learned from the quizzing? Any more points that you want to add?
Sir, more things I learned, sir.
Okay. Thanks, Jayavardhan. Kushikra, now you can add your points. Talk to your buddy. I think it's not available. Okay.
Yeah. I want to add something.
Yeah. Please.
Yeah, particularly hard questions all the time. And nothing related to the cover of the book. That is what I can say from this. You told robotics and we went from robotics to space astronauts.
Yeah, those were also the technologies, right?
Rakesh Sharma to Bitcoin to literally global warming.
Yeah.
Yeah, global warming technology has resulted in global warming.
Barely anything to do with AI and computers.
Yes, it had a lot with AI and computers because you have not related the quiz at all.
Nothing to do.
Wait. This quiz was not at all about AI and tech. It was about science and future tech.
It's
Right?
basically
This quiz is
based on the
about future
technologies
tech.
around the world, sir.
But we never told this quiz was about robotics at all. It's future tech. Right? Everything was future tech. At that time, what Rakesh Sharma achieved was future technology. Right? In 84.
I would suggest that you make the name from robotics quiz to all general quiz because it is.
I think it was very clearly given in their poster. It's a science and future tech.
Was it?
Yes, it was. You didn't read it. Yes,
Yes.
you missed it out.
Okay. Thank you, Kushigra, for your points. Next, we have Ria. Do you like to share your points about the quiz?
I have learned a lot from these questions, and I also knew answers for some.
Mm-hmm.
And in the score, Wales spelling was wrong.
What spelling was wrong?
Wales International School. Wales is Wales.
Okay. That will take care, pa. That's not a big deal. Okay.
Okay.
Thanks, Ria. Okay. Next, we have Arshita. Arshita, how you felt about the quiz?
Sir, I am so happy to attending this quiz.
Mm-hmm.
However, I made mistakes. I learned some new things, sir.
Mm-hmm.
I expect some more quizzes from your side. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Arshita. Next, we have Navneet. Share a few words of how you felt about the quiz, pa.
I felt very interested in this quiz, sir.
Mm-hmm.
And I learned my mistakes, sir.
Okay, better luck next time. Okay, every month we are going to have a quiz like this. Follow our Facebook and
Okay,
Instagram
sir.
pages. There you'll get an update.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next is Devdash. You have any points to share about the quizzing?
Yes, sir. I have learned the different technologies in different countries, sir.
Super. That is happy to hear, right?
Excellent. That's what we wanted. That's what this quiz is about. Well done.
Well done.
You are the only person who told apt about what the quiz was. Well done.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Yeah, guys. Congrats to all of you who've been to the finalists and especially to the Ronin who won the Otto bot. And all of you made an amazing quizzing here and it's really rocking. It's so much happy to see all you guys like this. And to give you a vote of thanks, I request Bala to share a few words about the quizzing and also about the robotics.
So, guys, the quiz overall went very well with your lot of entertaining questions which was asked to you, and the answers that we got. Everything was so interactive. Thanks, Arvind, for making this quiz to the next level. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Pleasure.
And for all the participants, I see you are all already a winners, and here Ronan might be winner, but I see you all as a winner. Okay, so we expect you all to be in DIA soon to study more about robotics and coding and whatever, looking you as a future tech persons. Okay, so thank you so much for attending this quiz. Thank you, Aravind. You did a great job, man. Like hosting this throughout the session, it was very well managed by you. Thank you so much, Aravind.
Thank you, Bala. And if I have to add a few more words, I mean, this is not about only Dia. It's also about Exquisite. They made a question that is really interesting for all those kids. And if you see about the technologies that is they've taken the questions, it was so amazing. And
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
and the kids like this, they really needed to learn things like this. So
Yeah.
it was really nice, and the questions, the format it was taken, and every question is more interactive and more thinkable, so that children will think in a logical and creative thinking way. So it went so nice, and we are really glad to have a partnership with Exquisite, and it really went so much nicer. Thank you for your support and also for Ashwin
Thank you.
taking such a nice questions.
Thank
Those
you.
are so amazing, sir.
Thank you, sir.
So that's all, sir. We can end this quiz, and the winner goes to Ronin, and the special things like the other three participants who scored 90.
Said his name wrong. It's Ronin, not Ronin.
What? Ronin. Yeah. Thanks for the update, Kushira. Sorry, it's Ronin, and we congratulate all of you guys. You are the rocking stars, and you'll be getting a special watches for you guys. And the top four, and which I say like Ronin got the 90s, and other 390 people, you'll get something from Dia. Okay, which will be disclosed in through call. You'll all will get a call by tomorrow. Thank you, guys. Thank you, quizzing. And sir, over to you, Arvind, sir. We can actually close this one.
Yeah, thank you guys. Also follow us in our Facebook page, Exquisite, and we will be doing a lot more quizzes with Dia Labs in the future. And the future tech quizzing is just here for you guys to unleash your wonderful talent of knowledge. Keep following their Facebook page, Dia, also, and the social media pages, and keep learning more and more every day. Don't get, when you do a quiz, the purpose of a good quizzer, a hallmark of a good quizzer is you should not predetermine itself that this will only come, this will only be asked. No. Anything, for example, when Edison invented the incandescent bulb, that was future tech in 1900s, isn't it? Right? That paved the way to LED, isn't it? So any invention paved the way to the next. If Charles Babbage wouldn't have invented the computer, would you have had a laptop? So these guys are pioneering future tech. Computer is AI. Come on. So kindly go into the deep focus of science and technology, and those people are the ones who become great scientists. Right? Thank you. All the best. Best of luck. Thank you.
Thank
So
you,
we'll
guys.
leave the session.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, guys. You can
Thank
leave the
you.
section, guys.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Arav. Thank you. Jayavardhan. Thank you, Arshita. See you. Bye bye. See you.
Bye bye, guys. Thank you.
Yeah.